Hey there, CPO here, and I'm just going jogging this morning. Thought I would take you along for the ride. Gonna make a coffee run, and yeah, it's a beautiful morning. I've been using this cover, the rain gear cover, just at nights, just to basically keep critters out, and in case we get a rainstorm that I'm not expecting. It's been kind of nice. It's not taking too long to undo things, so I thought I would show you that part of the process as I started going to get coffee. So first, disable the alarm. All right. So one thing I can say that I've changed up since the video, just for these overnight stays, I'm not latching down all the straps, just basically 4 corners. This is a little bit redundant for, you know, a quick night. And I'm also not worrying about the windshield wipers or anything like that. I'm just throwing it over there. So I will say there's a big difference in the pliability of the material at, you know, 60 degrees versus 70 or 80 degrees. It's not bad right now, but some mornings it's like 50. Come out here, maybe mid 50s, lower 60s. And that vinyl is a little bit more rigid, but it's okay. It's just not quite as easy to work with. So that's what I've been doing, is folding it over like that on top of itself, and then flipping the back forward. So the other thing I've also learned is my patience level for folding this into tiny little pieces. Since I know I'm going to use it again later today, I literally just fold it up like that. I'm not going to worry about making it nice and tight to put back into the storage bag, which is right there. I literally just stick it right back there, and it's good to go. So the dog loves to go for a ride. So I have this little harness that I use with him. Works out really well. Every time I try and put it on, I have to rethink how it goes. Come here. So hold on, blah, blah, blah. This is gonna go that way. Foot through here, thank you. This comes up here. And then this comes over the top. So it's a little lightweight chest harness, as you can see. And then when we get over to the Jeep, I clip him in. Put your butt down. I clip him in here to this. This is just a nylon webbing strap. It's actually tied at the seat frame and then goes up, not on the high lift jack, but on the actual Raptoworks bar that's holding the jack and the shovel. So that's a nice strong anchor point. You can see here I also have some little clips. I use them for like grocery bags or anything that I want to throw in the back that I don't want to slide off. Give me 5. Good boy. I do, and I have to follow him. what the heck's going on. He's driving on the wrong side of the road. I can't tell if he, hello? He's always going like 5 miles an hour. Come on, dude. Some of us are like needing some coffee. All right, so one thing you'll notice, and I'm kind of experimenting here, is I'm playing with Bluetooth headsets. These are for the phone. I'm actually recording this audio on my phone. And I'm using a couple of different options to try out to see which one works better in the Jeep. Not only for phone calls, but I'm also curious from a recording perspective if it helps. Because, you know, without doors, it gets a little noisy in here and a lot of wind noise. Now I do have my top on. This is the Safari top part of the Trek Top NX. And I like that because it keeps the sun from beating down on my head, and it keeps a lot of wind from coming in right through the top. So it's actually quite a bit quieter with this on, and I can flip that back if I want to. But to be honest with you, with the doors off and the back open, I don't feel like I still have that. I don't even notice that there, to be honest with you. It's not like I feel like I have a top on. But anyway, I'm experimenting with these Bluetooth headsets. The truckers use them a lot. They're in these rigs all day, and a lot of them have started using, or have been using, probably been doing it for a long time, these Bluetooth headsets for phone calls and such. This one in particular I'm wearing is the BlueParrott B350-XT. They claim to have the best noise canceling in the industry, so we'll see how it handles Jeep. But they're saying like 96% of background noise is eliminated. So anyway, this is just my morning coffee run. Taking the dog. He loves, ooh, boy, he's happy. He loves to go for a ride. Doesn't matter what vehicle we take, he's happy. But he likes being strapped into the Jeep. And of course I pass the landfill in the mornings. They open at 8, and starting at about 7 or 7:30, all the cars and trucks start lining up. By the time they open, this line will be completely out to the red light up ahead. I've been in your waters. I've been working for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other. Electrical problem that I was having. You'll see a video on that. If it's not already up, it'll be up soon. Interesting sort of troubleshooting thing I did just for fun. And I have some other cool products on the way. Super excited about to do some videos for you on. And yeah, it's a busy time of year for me. It's a busy time of year for the Jeep industry anyway, because, you know, we're all coming out of hibernation. It's been a long winter for many of us. So yeah, I've got some mirrors that I want to show you. I'm going to replace my motorcycle mirror with some different mirrors, and I've got 2 different options. Both will fit the JK. One of them will fit the JK only, but and then I'll use the other set on the TJ probably. But it's about time to retire this motorcycle mirror, and also I really want a mirror over there on the passenger side. Even though I can see backwards, I really can't see along that side, and I don't like it. Like when I'm parking, I want to be able to see backwards. So I thought about getting another motorcycle mirror and decided, you know what, I'm just going to look at some real mirrors. And a lot of people ask this time of year what mirrors they should get, so I thought I would help with that process by checking out a few on my own. There's a Jeeper, and Awesome Jeep wave. That makes my morning. See? Now the coffee run is worth it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, Elijah. Say goodbye. Elijah, say goodbye. Hey, we're here. Say goodbye. Yeah, he's clueless. Hey.